This is the answer key for periodic table and trends. In order to answer these questions, you will need to use a periodic table and know some basic information about families and the names of the families. Which of the following elements is a noble gas? You need to know that noble gases are family 8, column 8. So we're looking for an element that's in that. Neon lives right there. The rest of these do not live in group 8, so choice A is the best choice here. Which of the following is a transition metal? Transition metals are all the metals that live in this region of the periodic table underneath the word transition metals. Some of our choices, xenon lives in group 8 over here. Barium is a group 2, it's an alkaline earth metal. Molybdenum lives right here, so molybdenum should be your answer. Sodium is an alkali metal. Which of the following is an alkali metal? Alkali metals are group 1s, lithium down. Alkaline earth are group 2s. They sound very similar, but alkali are group 1. So we're looking for a metal that lives there. Krypton is a noble gas. That can't be our choice. Germanium lives right here. That's a metalloid. Sodium lives in group 1. That's going to be our choice. And barium is an alkaline earth, group 2. Which of the following is a halogen? Halogens live in group 7. So we're looking for 7. Aluminum is a group 3. Strontium is a group 2, alkaline earth. Krypton, again, is a noble gas, so iodine is going to be our choice. So reactivity works like so. Recall, this is your periodic table. Noble gases are unreactive, so we always have to remember to look and see if a noble gas is listed, because that's kind of tricky. And then we split our periodic for the nonmetals. This side of the stairs, kind of in this region here, we have the metals. Metals get more and more active towards francium. Nonmetals get more and more active or reactive towards fluorine. As you go down on the metal side or to the left, to the left on the metal side, become more active. As you go right or up, become more reactive for the metals. Which of the following is a least reactive? So since it's least reactive, we want to first look and see, do we have a noble gas? Fluorine is a halogen. Arsenic is in group 5. Francium is a metal. Argon is a noble gas, so this will be our choice. Also, fluorine and francium are the two most active elements on their respective sides. Fluorine is the most active nonmetal. Francium is the most active metal. Which of the following is most reactive? Magnesium, sodium, cesium, and barium. These are all metals, so we want to see which one's closest to francium. We had on our list magnesium, sodium, cesium, and barium. So we want to see which of these is closest to francium. So sodium and magnesium are both out because they're further from francium. We have cesium and barium. Cesium is one spot further left, so that's going to be closer to francium. Cesium should be our answer, choice C. 6 was C, cesium. Which of the following elements has the largest radius? If you recall, for radius trend, atoms get bigger as you get closer to francium, or smaller as you get closer to fluorine. So as you go down the periodic table, they get bigger. As you go to the left, the periodic table, they get bigger as well. Hydrogen was the smallest. So since we're looking at largest, we want to see which of those is closest to francium. So we have, let's follow them all. Let's zoom out a little bit here. Ru So right here, we have silver, we have strontium, and we have antimony. So all of them are in the same series, period, all period 5, which means we're trying to figure out which of those is furthest left. That should be strontium. Choice C. Which one has the smallest radius? So of these ones, which is closest to fluorine, unless if hydrogen happens to be here. No hydrogen, so we're looking for closest to fluorine. So I'll mark all of those. Looking over here, we have nitrogen, arsenic, sulfur, and oxygen. So they're all located in here. Of those, which is closest to fluorine, oxygen would be the closest. Choice D. Which one has the largest radius? So again, looking at all these, we have Ru, Sn, Te, which is right here, and lastly, strontium. Strontium is the furthest left, so again, we will choose strontium. Choice D. Why are elements placed in a given family? Elements are placed in families based on properties. So elements are placed in families based on similar properties. Specifically, we're learning that the electrons are similar in families. What is a period on the periodic table, and list at least 4 elements that are in the same period? Periods are horizontal. Rows across the table. Another name for them are series. You could pick any row on the periodic and just choose 4. So you could choose lithium, beryllium, boron, and carbon. Or you could choose boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. Or gallium, germanium, arsenic, selenium. Any 4 elements that are in the same row. What is a family on the periodic table? Family is a vertical arrangement of atoms, also known as a group or a column. So anywhere on our periodic table where we have 4 atoms, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, these are all 4 in the same family. Go over here to group 3, boron, aluminum, gallium, indium. Any group of 4 that are vertically arranged would be acceptable.